What is spousal support? Spousal support is when one party pays money to the other party to assist that party to live. It's not a common remedy in divorce cases. It is more common for a party to receive interim spousal support while the case is being tried before the court.
In Alaska, if one spouse is financially disadvantaged, the preference is to do an unequal division of the marital estate rather than order long-term spousal support. However, in some cases, the court may order spousal support for a very limited time and purpose. Also, the divorcing spouses can always make an agreement about spousal support for whatever amount and time they want. There are two kinds of spousal support that the court can order: rehabilitation support and reorientation support. Rehabilitation support pays for school or job training. The purpose is for the receiving spouse to get skills to work or to move up in a job. You will need to explain to the court how your school program meets your work goal and how long it will take to complete the program. Rehabilitation support can be paid for the length of your school or training, usually up to 4 years. If you don't use the money for school, the judge can order that you no longer get spousal support. The other kind of support is reorientation support. It helps you to adjust financially to being single and to get used to living on less money than when you were married. It is usually paid when the division of marital property doesn't immediately meet one person's needs. It is usually paid for up to 1 year. With this kind of support, you need to show why the property division won't meet your needs. Some things to consider are whether your spouse makes a lot more money than you, whether you haven't worked for a long time, whether you stayed at home to take care of children, whether you can't work. The judge can order both types of support. It depends on the facts of each case. You need to ask for support in your original divorce complaint. If you want some support before your divorce is final, you must also file an interim motion for support. We provide more information on how to file motions in another video in this series.